After receiving the equipment, take out the accessories, the drain hose and cap, inlet water hose, and the filter cartridges. First, install the inlet water hose. Connect one end to the water inlet of the unit, and the other end to the municipal water supply. After connecting, tighten it with a wrench to prevent it from coming loose. Next, install the wastewater drain hose. Insert one end of the hose into the unit, and place the other end directly into the drain. Seal the remaining outlet with the end cap. If you need to use the other drain outlet, simply connect the hose to that outlet, and seal the unused outlet with the end cap. Now, let's move on to installing the filter cartridges. First, unscrew the filter housing. Then loosen the membrane housings. Both membrane housings need to be loosened. Take out the reverse osmosis membrane and remove the packaging. Insert the row membrane into the membrane housing. Please note that the end with the black rubber sealing ring should be positioned toward the end cap of the membrane housing. After the membrane is fully in place, tighten the end cap of the membrane housing. Install the second membrane into the other housing using the same procedure. Next, install the pre-filter cartridges. First, place the PP filter cartridge. Please make sure to remove the protective plastic film before installation. Insert the cartridge into the filter housing and tighten it securely. Then install the UDF filter cartridge. Please note that the end with the white gasket should face upward. Also remember to remove the protective plastic film, then tighten it securely. Next, install the third cartridge, the CTO filter. This cartridge has no specific orientation, as there are gaskets on both ends, so it can be installed in either direction. As always, remember to remove the protective plastic film, then tighten the filter housing securely. After tightening by hand, use this wrench to fully tighten all the filter housings securely. After the filter cartridges are installed, the system can be connected to the water supply and power. Plug in the power cord, and open the inlet water valve. Use the key to open the door on the top of the unit. This is the circuit breaker of the system. Switch it on to supply power. The system will then begin operating normally. Open all outlet faucets. Once water is flowing from all faucets, locate the refrigeration unit switch. This is the refrigeration switch. Pushing the button upward means off, and switching it downward means on. Turn on the refrigeration unit on the right in the same way. Finally, close all the faucets again. The system startup is now complete, and the unit is ready for normal operation.